Hey, this will be a video chart on ENTI. Done this one quite a few times, but if I'm being honest, I thought this one was history and I'd never hear from it again. But I had some people saying, hey, check this one out, and pulled it up, and sure enough, just a monstrous day today, and it's been really showing nice signs of life ever since having bottomed out back here on what has proven to be a capitulation day. What I mean by that is, there was clearly a bunch of sellers in here, and on this day here was when it looks like the majority of them finally got out. Another big volume day here, but it never went as low. So basically, on this point here, it's been higher lows ever since. And then today things really exploded. So congratulations to everybody that noticed this day and then was following it. Like I said, I thought this one was history, but shows how much I know. So in terms of the chart, very important day today, and I think that's right where I'm going to start off. But for those of you that follow charts, you know that the 50-day and 200-day moving averages are very important. This orange line here is a 200-day simple moving average, and as you can see right here, acted as resistance, and even yesterday, I should zoom in for this part of it. So let me readjust here, but you can see, like I pointed out, acted as a resistance here, and then acted as a resistance yesterday at the close. But today the price just exploded through it. So this was a key level of resistance, and the bulls got through. So that's a nice sign of strength on their part. And now going forward, we just need to see the price hold. Now the other interesting aspect of this chart is the amount of movement it made on, the relatively small amount of volume. This stock's had some very big volume days, and it hasn't even come close to moving this amount. So we have a day with this size of volume, and then look how much it moves. So that, I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's just kind of one of those things that I think should be noted because, maybe all those sellers are really finally out, and now it can move much more easier. But we'll see going forward if those sellers are gone, and how would we be able to tell that? Well, I'm glad you asked, because with the power of charts, that's very easy to determine. We're going to use two levels. The first being this previous set of highs up here, which is at 0.0008. So real quick, I'll change that into green to remind everybody this is going to be a support level. And then the other one, of course, is just going to be this orange line here, valued at 0.007, which is a 200-day simple moving average. So, if this chart is truly strong and is truly going to start in an uptrend, then we want to see these two levels hold, the 200-day and then that level right there. Now, in terms of resistance levels, this is where we got to kind of thin out the chart again, but we have a batch of them up there, and then we have the other one pretty much sitting right here. So we'll kind of have a couple little clumps of them, and you can see this level here, which was at 0011, is where the price bounced off today. But these are going to be the resistance levels going forward. But the good news is, if the price can break through there, then the resistance levels really start to thin out even more. As you can see there, then we're looking at not resistance levels not till way up here. So overall, the chart looking very good. It's just going to be a matter of continually putting in these higher lows like it's been doing. And if that's the case, it's going to definitely bring it up on more people's radars. And, who doesn't like a nice uptrending stock? So it's been doing a good job of that, and now it's got another good opportunity to show its strength by staying above this orange line now that it's gotten above it. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was ENTI. Thanks for listening.